Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and staying safe in kind of this weird time that we're in with the coronavirus. I just wanted to update you on how we are going to be proceeding with Algebra 2 and kind of what that is going to look like for you guys for these few weeks that we are at home right now. So for Algebra 2, I'm going to be posting every Monday. Every Monday morning, I'm going to be posting on Google Classroom a kind of weekly schedule of things that you should be working on to stay on top of your math skills and to stay kind of engaged in what's going on with our class right now. And so on there, I will be providing you with videos and activities to complete. The videos and other things like that are going to be kind of my way of offering as much support as what I possibly can while you are at home on your own working through these problems. And I understand that's very different than an in-class example and working through those together in class, but I will do my very best to provide as much support as what I can for you guys while you're working through these problems here at home. And so what that looks like this week, I need you guys to sign up for a Khan Academy account. If you already have one, awesome. You can go ahead and just use the code that I'm going to post that's on the document here for Google Classroom to join our classroom that I'm going to assign assignments through. And so make sure you join our classroom on Khan Academy. I have a few things that we're going to be looking at this week, specifically with 722 and 723. 722 we looked at before we were put on kind of this break here, but 723 is something that we have not covered yet together in class. And so to help you with that, on Wednesday morning at 11 a.m., I'm going to be having a Google Hangout for you to be able to join. If you're unfamiliar of what a Google Hangout is, it's basically a video session just like this, but you can join it live. And so it's as close as what I can get to a in-class lesson with you guys being able to participate. Now, if you're like, well, I don't want you to see my video or hear me or anything like that, you can turn off your webcam and you can turn off your sound and you can just kind of almost be a passive participant in the classroom. So don't worry if you don't want your face in a video or anything like that. You can make sure you turn those off when you join that Google Hangout. But it is just a option for you to kind of go through some lessons or some problems with me and then be able to either chat or voice ask questions to me through the Google Hangout. So that is an option for you on Wednesday if you're able to join me. That link is also in the document that I'm posted on Google Classroom. So you're welcome to join me 11 a.m. on Wednesday for that. And then there will be 2 assignments for practice, one on Khan Academy and one that is in the form of a quizzes. My goal for you guys is to continue to stay strong in your math skills and to just stay focused and not take a complete brain break during this time. It's very important that we maintain our academic skills and our academic brain work and keeping our brain working. And so please let me know if you have any questions. I have office hours that are listed there for you guys. And that is when I will be at my computer when you can G-chat me. You can do a Google Hangout if you really need it, or send me emails. And that's when I will be at my computer to be able to respond to you. Outside of office hours, feel free to contact me. We also have Remind. The code is on our document there that I posted on Google Classroom. That's an option. You can contact me or through email, and I will do my best to get back to you within 24 hours. Again, please let me know if you need anything and have any questions, but my goal is to help you continue to stay focused and motivated through this time at home and continuing to practice your Algebra 2 skills. All right, guys, stay safe. Please let me know if you need anything, and I hope you have a great week.